Hello everyone. I'm Lee Min, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will explore how to harness AI technology to turn it into a money-making tool on YouTube. If you want to learn how to do this, please follow along with this video. First, let's take a look at the YouTube channel Be The Best. It's a newly established channel, but it has already garnered a lot of attention. They've created dozens of videos with hundreds of thousands of views, earning about $9,000 per month. But I believe the earning potential from YouTube can be much higher. I was truly surprised to see a new channel achieve such success. They focus on sharing stories about Buddhism through simple videos featuring background images and narrated stories.
He would continually think, "Why that to me?" Don't know how many storms of negative thoughts were going on inside his mind.
And now, let's learn how to create similar videos without much effort. Thanks to the support of AI technology, let's get started. Step 1. Register on dupdub.com. First, register your Google account on the dupdub website. I've provided the link in the video description. Step 2. Create a script using AI tools. Choose text-to-speech on dupdub, then click New File. Use AI tools to write a script for your video. I've chosen to write a story about Buddhism and life. Select the writing style you prefer. I chose Create a Story. Once the script is written, review and edit it if necessary. Export the content into a voiceover by selecting the appropriate voice and then clicking Generate and Export to download the audio file. Step 3. Create cover images for the video. Use the Leonardo.Ai tool to convert text into images. Select AI image generation and then Dreamshaper 7. Go back to dupdub to copy the content and paste it into the prompt box. Then click Generate to create images. Step 4. Create 3D scenes for the video. Use the Leonardo.Ai website to create 3D scenes for your video. Log in with your Google account. Upload images and wait for the system to create 3D animations. Export the 3D scenes and save them to your computer. Step 5. Edit the video. Utilize the video editing feature in dupdub. Create a new project and upload the 3D videos and voiceover files. Drag the videos and voiceover into the timeline and add appropriate effects. Use the audio gallery to add background music. Once editing is complete, export the final video.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of a lush green valley, there lived a young boy named Siddhartha. Siddhartha was known for his curious nature and his insatiable thirst for knowledge. He spent his days wandering through the village, eagerly absorbing the wisdom of the elders and seeking answers to life's deepest questions.
Finally, you can create your own YouTube channel to share your videos with everyone. I wish you success in utilizing AI technology to create unique and captivating videos on YouTube. If you have any questions or would like more details about any of the steps, please leave a comment under the video or contact me. Thank you for watching.